In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw lines on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page, and here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to draw lines. So if we want to do that, let's just go to this learn section on this list panel and let's go to analysis to show you how to draw lines. Of course, if you want to move a piece, we know that we will have to hold the piece with our left click and put it wherever we want, or we can simply click on the piece that we would like to move, then click on where we would like to take it, of course, with the left click. But of course, if you want to draw the line, you would like to hold the right click and just take the mouse to wherever you would like to draw the line. Let's say an example here, and the line will be drawn. Of course, if you want to delete the line, you'll have to go and draw the same line. Let's say an example, this line, just draw the same, and as you can see, it will be deleted. If you have a lot of line and you want to delete all of them, you'll have to simply click one left click on any square on the board and all the lines will be deleted. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.